Can you go ahead and open your mouth for me, please? Okay, lift your tongue up. Okay.
Go away. Go away.
For what?
Hey, Travis,
Stay.
Travis, stop. Stop.
Stay.
Hey, Travis.
Go away.
Can you please give him this one? Oh, come
Just stand.
on, no.
2 seconds away.
What did I do?
Just stand right here.
For what?
Travis, stop!
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In the summer of 2023, a viewer named Rochelle was driving home when she was stopped at an unconstitutional DUI checkpoint being held by the Ford County Sheriff's Office.
Follow these guys.
All right. Come with this.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
23. You have your ID on you?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take that from you. Okay, you're going to go right with him, follow him.
Come this way.
Okay.
Go ahead, follow him.
Follow me this way.
What about my car?
We'll take care of it.
Yeah.
We're going to pull it into the parking lot. Okay, we got you.
Are the keys in there, or you have the keys with you?
They're in there.
Okay. All right, go ahead and come this way.
Like most young adults, without legal assistance, Rochelle was uncertain about her right to refuse answering the sudden inquiry, and she was removed from her vehicle and taken to a parking lot nearby.
How long ago was it that you consumed your last alcoholic beverage?
30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago?
Yeah.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Okay.
But, like, hours apart.
Can you hit my record button in there, because it doesn't communicate with this thing? Can you go ahead and open your mouth for me, please? Okay, lift your tongue up. Okay. Okay, you wear contacts or glasses? No? Okay.
I wear glasses.
You wear glasses, you don't have them on you? Okay. All right, go ahead and stand over here. I'm going to need you to stand with your feet together, your hands down by your side, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to pay attention to the tip of my finger here,
okay.
and only tip of my finger, and follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. So, you see my tip of the finger?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and follow it with your eyes and your eyes only.
Not in her face, not in her.
Okay. Alright, here we go.
Rochelle performed field sobriety tests for the rookie, while his training officer, Eric Fisher, stood nearby. About 2 minutes into the test, Rochelle's husband walked into the parking lot to see why his wife was stopped, when Officer Fisher immediately began cussing and pushing Travis back.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Who the f*** are you?
I'm Travis.
Oh, don't
Talk to
Who
me.
are you?
Hey, Travis,
Stay.
Travis, stop. Stop.
Stay.
Hey, Travis, stop.
You better shut up or you go to
Bitch.
Can I just teach
No,
him?
no, no.
Please.
Let's continue
Can I
this.
just get him to
Let's
stop,
continue
please?
this. Just
Travis.
That escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
The rookie tries to have Rochelle continue the tests, as her husband is being pushed back by Officer Fisher just a few meters away. But before we continue, the longest sponsor of the channel is Exter. They've reimagined the traditional wallet by adding a feature to fan out your cards with the click of a button. Then they added an expandable metal backplate that allows you to carry more while keeping a slim profile. Exter just released a limited edition Parliament made from premium Italian Saffiano leather. They also added 3 new versions that are made with space-grade aluminum. The Eclipse absorbs light during the day and radiates a soft, mesmerizing glow when night falls, while the Midnight and Astral versions were inspired by the colors of the Milky Way. And each style of wallet has a variety of colors to choose from, including this ultralight 3K carbon fiber, a carbon-forged model, and of course, the 18-karat gold card holder. You can also add a solar-powered tracker card to any version to make it nearly impossible to lose. If you can't find your wallet, use the app to locate it. Can't find your phone? Use the tracker card to make it ring. And don't forget about the Grid backpack, the power bank, camera cube, and tech case that recently dropped. And right now, you can get up to 55% off your order during their Black Friday sale. So if you're looking for a way to support the channel, be sure to check out their website using my link and use the code LackLuster at checkout for up to 55% off your order. Another big thanks to Exter for helping keep this channel going. But for now, back to the video.
stand. No,
please give him
no,
this one?
no,
Oh,
just stand.
No.
No, I can't. We're under an investigation right now. Okay.
Go away. Go away.
For what?
Because I f***ing told you. Go away. Go away.
For what, bitch?
Go away.
Just stand right here.
For what?
2 seconds away.
What did I do?
Don't walk up on my investigation.
Why you got?
Travis, stop! Please, come on!
After being pushed back to the sidewalk, Officer Fisher arrests Travis.
My wife.
Because they're running her through.
For what?
Put your hands back.
Meanwhile, the rookie continues to try to conduct his field sobriety tests.
He shouldn't have approached over here. Okay?
What are you arresting him for?
I don't know. That's what that's he's dealing with now. No, stand over here.
No, I'm not drunk.
I need to see that for now. Okay, we got to continue this testing. Okay, just continue here with me. Okay, we'll handle that here in a second.
Fucking dumb.
So stand over here. No.
Why is he going to jail?
Over here. Hey.
No way he's going to jail.
You want to
For what? For what?
Yep, you're under arrest. Yep, you're under arrest. No.
Rochelle is thrown to the ground and arrested for yelling, "For what?" This resulted in a black eye and a gashed open chin.
You didn't even tell us what we were being arrested for. I'm not, like, this is so ridiculous. So ridiculous. Fucking, can I take pictures of this blood on the floor?
Go ahead. We'll document it too.
Okay, thank you.
We're gonna take your phone as evidence since the pictures will be on there.
Well, no, you can't.
Yeah, I can. It's evidence. You just took pictures.
After she was slammed to the ground for her speech, one of the officers claimed that he was kicked.
What am I arrested for?
For not listening, I told you to say that.
Or was I detained?
And battery LEO. Yes, you were. I was conducting an investigation on you drinking.
Okay, but for battery, don't I have to
Stand over here.
physically and try to assault him? I was confused. I was trying to get him up.
Just like I said, hang out right here.
Can I fight that in any way?
I don't know. Okay.
That dude's got a big ass ego. Fucking dick. I got blood all over my...
A few minutes later, an ambulance arrives.
Go over to that side. Oh, actually, just wait here. We'll have her check you out. Okay. Eye and her
I got
chin.
beat up by a cop.
You got beat up by a cop?
Yep.
Okay. Let's get you back.
Follow her.
Rochelle is cleaned up and released to the officers.
Right now, we're going to run your testing over here as far as your breath, and we can go from there, okay?
After reading her rights, she agrees to perform a breathalyzer.
With this being read to you, are you willing to take a breath test for me today?
So if I choose not to, you guys just get to take... I can't drive for a year.
No. Well, yeah, it says if you refuse to submit to complete the test or test your driver privileges, we suspend it for a period of 1 year.
I mean, I'll take it.
You'll take it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, you'll take it.
Ma'am, you want to stand up real quick, and I'm going to put this in your pocket, in the front pocket there. This is yours, okay?
Make sure you log it in.
Okay.
You're the next one after pads. So
Okay.
it's all you have to do is go through your normal steps, just like
Okay.
you.
Yeah. And let me see your mouth one more time. Lift over your tongue. Okay.
You're 1250. Okay, real deep breath.
All right. Real deep breath.
Blow.
And blow. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. There you go. Okay.
Go and have a seat.
Have a seat.
Is that mine? 0.01?
Yeah, have a seat, okay?
So I'm not drunk. Sorry.
There you go. Just have a seat. He said there was a trash can around or somewhere. Okay.
Am I right? Did I read that right?
I'll look it over right now. 'Cause, yeah.
She read the test right. Her blood alcohol content was 0.01, and she was not charged with a DUI. However, both Travis and Rochelle were arrested for disorderly conduct, and Rochelle an added charge of battery of a law enforcement officer. The two sat in jail for 2 days before bonding out. Unfortunately, a combination of having her youth and a terrible lawyer, the couple was convinced that a plea deal was in their best interest, and they signed a diversion agreement for 25 community service hours each. Ironically, in November, the same Officer Fisher allegedly attacked his partner and was arrested on quite a few violent charges. Typically, this would result in a person being stripped of their right to possess a firearm, and in this case, would likely result in his termination from the Ford County Sheriff's Office. However, the agency does not appear to have made a statement about this incident, but Master Deputy Eric Fisher is still listed on their website if you'd like to bring him around to teach your children.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Who the f*** are you?
I'm Travis.
Oh, don't f***ing talk to me. Who are you?
He also appears to be the Traffic Safety Resource Officer. Overall, it's crucial that you learn your rights, or at least to have attorney shield to protect you in these moments. To become a founding member and to help Long Island Audit and I push the app forward, check out the links below and be sure to stop by the Black Friday sale with Exter. the longest running supporters of this channel. As always, let me know what you think of this interaction, and be sure to check out one of our other videos linked on screen.